Welcome to the Momentum Sprint Miro Toolkit. I'm Chiara Treglia and I'm here to facilitate you through the Momentum Sprint method. On this board, you will find a series of videos that you can use to use Momentum Sprint for yourself. But what is Momentum Sprint? Momentum Sprint is a digital-first service that helps teams stay aligned and focused on their sustainability goals until they're actually met. If you want to learn more about Momentum Sprint or get in touch with a team of expert facilitators, check out our website, momentumsprint.nl. But if you're here to get your hands dirty and try this out for yourself, we are here to facilitate you and get yourself set up. Let's start with the first board, the welcome board, in which you and your team can practice with Miro. These are some simple tasks that you can practice with. Choose one of the color post-its that you find here, for instance this one, drag it into the outline box and type your name in it, as in the example. If you've chosen this color, please stick with this color for the rest of the workshop. You can practice another couple of tricks, such as selecting and duplicating the post-it via Ctrl or Alt C and V, and by enlarging and shrinking the same post-it by dragging it from the corner on the side. This is all you need to know in order to be able to use Miro for the rest of the workshop. I will see you in the next video.